To conclude this very brief introduction to the basics of multi-tenant architecture, we need to discuss what to do next. You have to decide when to make the move. 12c Release 2 is due out fairly soon, probably within a few weeks. Release 13, by which time non-CDB architecture may no longer exist and not be supported, when's that coming? My guess, from looking at the history of recent releases, 2018, 2019 perhaps, it's in the foreseeable future. How should one handle the move? One scenario is to state that perhaps all 12.2 databases should be multi-tenant, single occupancy, unless of course you've licensed the full usage. I think that's pretty clear that Oracle would like us to make that move. So perhaps on upgrade to 12.2, you should think about the conversion from non-CDB to CDB. And doing that conversion will be the subject of our next lecture.